Having trouble syncing your iPhone to iTunes? If you're seeing error 0xE800002D with the message, iTunes could not connect to this iPhone, don't worry. In this video, we'll show you 6 quick and effective ways to fix it. Let's dive in. Part 1. Causes of iTunes 0xE800002D. Outdated iTunes can cause errors like 4005, OZ800015, or error 11. iTunes updates may fail on Windows, requiring a reinstall. If using Windows Vista or earlier, update to Windows 7 or later for compatibility. Part 2. How to fix error OZ800002D on iTunes. Tip 1. Update iTunes version. To update iTunes on Windows, open iTunes and go to Help, check for updates. Click Download iTunes and follow the instructions to install the latest version. Update the iTunes version on Mac. Launch iTunes on your Mac and click the iTunes menu. Click on Check for Updates from the options of the Tools menu. If there's a new version of iTunes available, just download and install it. Tip 2. Restart your iOS device and computer. If both your computer and iOS device are working fine, then you can try to restart on iTunes and your device to see if the OZ800002D error iPhone problem can be fixed. Tip 3. Update Windows. If you're using Windows Vista or XP, it may cause the OZ800002D error. Update to Windows 7 or higher, then install the latest iTunes version. Tip 4. Tap Trust this computer. When connecting your iPhone for the first time, tap Trust this computer on the pop-up. If not, iTunes won't recognize your device, causing the OZ800002D error. Tip 5. Change another USB cable and USB port. iTunes error OZ800002D on Mac or PC can also be caused by a faulty USB port. You can check your Lightning USB cable for any rips or tears. You can try using a different USB port or buy a new Lightning USB cable to see if that fixes the problem. Tip 6. Fix iOS device using iOS system recovery. iTunes errors keep popping up with different codes, but iOS system recovery is your ultimate fix. This tool resolves over 100 Apple device issues. How to fix iTunes OZ800002D error with iOS system recovery. Step 1. Go for the iOS system recovery section. Download, install, and launch this program on your computer. Go to the left top corner and select iOS system recovery. Step 2. Connect your iOS device to the computer. Plug your iPhone or iPad to this computer via USB and click Start. Then, follow the on-screen guide to continue. Step 3. Fix error OZ800002D on iTunes. Select the information that matches your device and click Repair. You can successfully fix OZ800002D error on iPhone.